Good morning, Adelaide. It's Mark Lyon here, the beautiful Bogan, just checking after a big night of earthquakes in Adelaide. Like, a bit stressed. Actually, a bit stressed at the moment. You know what I mean? Like, earthquake in Adelaide, 2 o'clock in the morning, they reckon. 2 tremors. To be honest, I thought it was Mrs. Guts. She had a couple of saplings last night and a couple of Woolworths spring rolls. Sometimes the sweet chili sauce messes with the guts. but it wasn't. It was an earthquake. Bloody earthquake. So I've just come outside to do a bit of investigating and see what I could see of the evidence of the earthquake on the 2nd of September. Oh, look, I'll show you. And I've walked out here, cracks everywhere. Look. Just, good Lord. Good Lord, there was an earthquake. And like some of the papers, but to be honest, they were probably there before. It's really made me a bit more mad than anything else. Bloody, left my window down, and it rained. I left my window down, and it rained all night. So who cares about an earthquake? But right now, I've got a wet ass when I drive. Anyway, it's been Mark Ryan just checking after the earthquake, making sure everyone is all right. We're fine here in Mulberry Heights. Anyway, catch you later.